You've probably heard the advice, just do some Kegels and your erectile dysfunction will improve, right? Sounds simple, but here's the catch. Kegels can actually help some people and actually make erectile dysfunction worse for other men. This is the pelvic floor trap no one talks about, and today I will show you how to figure out what your body really needs. The pelvic floor muscle is a group of muscles at the base of your pelvis. Think of it like a sling holding up your bladder, bowels, and your sexual organs. For erections, these muscles have two critical jobs: pumping blood into the penis during arousal and squeezing the veins shut to trap the blood in place. If these muscles are too weak, blood leaks out and the erection fades. If they are too tight, blood can't get in, so erection never gets hard enough. So strength and relaxation both matter, and that's why Kegels are not a one-size-fits-all fix. Kegels are just the contraction of your pelvic floor muscles. They help if your problem is leakage, like losing erection too fast, or even if you're dealing with premature ejaculation. What are the signs you might benefit from Kegels? You can get hard, but you lose it quickly. You dribble urine after peeing. You struggle to hold back during sex, resulting in premature ejaculation. And if you are dealing with these problems, here is what you can do about it. First, find the muscle by stopping your pee midstream. Or if you're sitting, try to lift your penis without using your hands. Yeah, that's the one. Now that you know what we're talking about, you are going to practice 2-3 sets of 10 squeezes every day. Each squeeze should be around 5 seconds long. Focus on quality, not brute force. You're training endurance, not maximum performance. Now let's look at situations when Kegels can hurt. Some men already have over-tight pelvic floors. Doing Kegels just locks them up even tighter. That restricts blood flow and worsens your erectile dysfunction. So what are the signs your pelvic floor is too tight? You feel pelvic tension or pain. Erections are hard to achieve, not only hard to maintain. You often feel like you haven't emptied your bladder fully. You clench your abs or buttocks during stress without realizing it. In these cases, Kegels add fuel to the fire. What you actually need is the opposite: relaxation and stretching. So if tightness is your issue, here is what helps. Number 1, deep breathing. When you inhale deeply using your abdominal muscles, your pelvic floor naturally lowers and relaxes. Do 5 minutes every day of 4-4-8 breathing. 4 seconds you inhale, 4 seconds you hold it, and 8 seconds you exhale. Another thing that helps with a tight pelvic floor are hip openers. Simple stretches like child pose, happy baby, or deep squats open the pelvis and relax the tension. So if your pelvic floor is weak and leaky, strengthen with Kegels. If you are tense, relax with breathing and stretching. And for many men, the real win is a mix: learning to contract and release. It's not about the brute force, but it's about having control. The pelvic floor, it's powerful, but it's not about doing hundreds of Kegels blindly. When trained properly, it's one of the fastest ways to actually improve erections. But when overtrained, it's a hidden cause of erectile dysfunction. The difference of it is awareness. In the next video, we'll discuss the erectile dysfunction diet, what to eat more of, what to cut back, and how food directly impacts your erections. See you on the next one.